Well, Sorba, it's great to see you. It's great to be here up north in Huddersfield, but I want to take you back to the beginning of your career, a moment that probably felt like the end. You know, you were a teenager when you got released by West Ham. I think there's a story that you threw your football boots in the bin, you thought, that's it, I'm done. You know, just how difficult of a period was that for you?
To be told as a young kid is hard, because for me, my only true love was football. The only thing I wanted to ever do was play football, to play in the Premier League, and that's what I wanted to do. And to be told you're not good enough, for me, I thought that was me done. Wasn't really interested in football after that. But luckily for me, I had the right people around me, my family, my mates, that got me through it. And
then I guess it was almost Boreham Wood to the rescue, because you went and played for them, and that's what made you fall back in love with playing football again. Yeah, they just found the love. The love was there. It came back, and I just started to play with a smile on my face. There's a lot of sacrifice you've got to do in non-league, do you know what I mean? So I'd have to go get a job, and went into scaffolding with my older brother, and yeah, it made me see the light. It made me more motivated to make it as a footballer, because there were some cold mornings at doing a scaffolding, trying to hold a pole. 6 o'clock in the morning where it's freezing. And it's like, I'd rather be in bed ready to go to training instead of being out here holding a pole. You signed for Huddersfield last January. Just sort of, how did that come about? I just remember getting a call saying, you're basically a Huddersfield player, and I just remember just being literally speechless on the phone, and the gaffer thinking I've hung up on him. But I just remember afterwards just calling all my friends, calling family members, people who I could trust, like telling them what's going on, and yeah, everyone was buzzing for me, really. Just how much are you enjoying your football here? For me, you know what I mean, I'm one league underneath the Premier League, that's where the dream is. And to do it with a Huddersfield team that had faith in me, the owners had faith in me to bring me here, to help with my progression. I'm playing football with a smile on my face. And it seems like wherever you go, fans just take to you straight away. You've talked about that big smile. I think they can sense that you're having fun. Yeah, I like to get in amongst with the fans. If you see the game, I do a little dances with the fans. It's just to show that I am one of them. Do you know what I mean? I'm not just a footballer who just keeps himself to himself. I like to interact with people. I like to show people where my love is. My love's here for the game, with Huddersfield, with Wales, and I just want to succeed. OK, let's talk about Wales, because we've got the small matter of a World Cup playoff game against Austria coming up. Just how excited are you, Sorba? Yeah, of course, obviously. Growing up, people used to always tell me big game, big players. And listen, there's a lot of big players in that World dressing room, and for us, a lot of people are coming into form, not just coming just to play a game, going to the World Cup. That's where our eyes are. We can tell, you know, you just adore putting on that Wales shirt, and it means the world to you, doesn't it? Yeah, of course. Obviously, from a kid, my mum used to always take me to Wales, and that's where the love is, really. You look at these players and you see the careers that they've had, and I mean, Gareth Bale's won countless amount of Champions Leagues, and these are things I just want to play in the Champions League. I mean, let alone go and win it a few times. But it's amazing, and you look at these players and you think how far I've come. You know what I mean? From non-league to now sharing a picture of Aaron Ramsey, for instance, and it's crazy, and sometimes it don't really sink in. I'm enjoying every minute of it. I know it's a case of taking it game by game, but just how much would it mean if you got to Qatar with Wales? It would mean a lot, you know. It's a dream of mine to go to a World Cup like any other young boy. This is what dreams are made of, really, and for me, I want to be part of the team that ends up doing it in the end.